Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk more about the subtlety of Chinese ink painting. Let's get started. Okay, today we're going to need just one brush and ink. Okay, get some ink. You don't really need a lot of ink each time when you paint because every time we'll use fresh ink. So get a bit of ink. I'm going to start with the head. Use slanted stroke for the head. And then the abdomen. There should be 5 sections of the abdomen from large to small. And then the tartan. There is a name for every single part of the shrimp. So if you're interested, just look up online. And then I'm going to paint the 2 long claws, which are the main features of the shrimp. Shrimp is one of the most classic traditional Chinese painting subjects that you always see. And the most famous artist is obviously Qi Baishi. His shrimps were very translucent and lively. If you've never seen his paintings before, please go online and search. He was born in a peasant family, so a lot of his paintings were what he saw in his daily life, like those chickens, crabs, shrimps, fish, fruits, and flowers. Just in case you wonder, I'm not trying to copy his style, so you probably will notice that they look very different. I learned from my own painting teacher, and I only have one teacher. Was another famous artist. It's been a long time since I last took painting class, so my paintings do not look like my teacher's style anymore. So if you think that this is bad, and it's just me, so it has nothing to do with my teacher. I think that ink painting is uniquely Chinese. When I first started to learn Chinese painting, I started with just ink. Believe it or not, painting shrimp is one of the first few lessons. I found it very difficult, even until today. I've practiced so many times until I painted this one, which I think is good enough to share. Well, at least the steps. Just remember that gradient is the key to ink painting. I don't premix ink into different shades of gray before I paint. I simply take some ink and dilute it with the water contained in my brush to paint. For these anti-anulars, I take very little ink and make sure that my brush has the right amount of water. Now I'm using just dark ink to paint the eyes and finish it up. As always, I will show you a close-up of this painting later in this video so that you can take a closer look at the details of the gradient. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. I will see you next time.